Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Cash App and confirming you're signed in. This gives access to your profile and wallet. Once done, make sure app permissions for camera are enabled so you can scan QR codes directly. Next, locate the small QR icon or Profile tab. That's where scanning and generating options live. You're not setting preferences yet, you're initiating the transaction flow. If you plan to receive money, prep your $cash tag so the code links to the correct account. Now you either scan to pay or generate your own QR for receiving funds. If scanning, tap Scan and frame the seller's or friend's code until it reads, keeping steady speed's recognition. If generating, tap My QR, confirm your $cash tag, and set an optional payment request amount. In both cases, review the displayed recipient name and the amount. This prevents sending money to the wrong person. When everything matches, tap Pay or Request to advance to the confirmation screen. Finish by verifying the details, recipient, amount, and selected payment source, then tap Send or Request. You'll see a confirmation screen and a record in activity instantly. Use that to confirm completion. If the QR scan fails, adjust lighting, clean the lens, or use the recipient's $cash tag instead. Also check camera permission in settings. If money doesn't arrive, review activity for pending status, ensure your bank card is linked and verified, and contact Cash App support only if the issue persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.